Today we're going to take apart a roomba 692. Let's just turn it all the way off. Take out the dustbin. Flip it over. Take these out. Take both rolls out. Let's close it back in. Now let's just take off this. Now let's open it up. Put it here. Open this up. Open this up. Take out the dirty thing. Open this up. Wait, actually, let's take off this. Take out. Never take this out before. It's hard. Oof. Let me try this. No. I think I'll just do this. There you go. I'll just take it off. I think we need to do more of this. Now let's just open it. Oh, we need to do more of this. There we go. And then some already started. Now let's just take this battery out. It's the first day of summer started. So today is the last day of school, and school is already over. And after school is over, on the last day of school, summer starts. I think I need to put these on if I could do a little bit more. Oof, that's tricky. Kind of hurting my nail. Oh, I think we'll just continue with something else, like this. This thing right here. Now let's just continue with it. You put it down real quick. Screw this one out. Screw this. Wait. Screw this one out. Awesome, probably we need to do this one. Turn on. Yeah, we did it! Kinda dirty at the back. We're not gonna take apart this. This is what it looks like right now. Okay, even turn on. Let's try to put the battery in. It turned on! Look! Wait. Turned on for a second. Probably no. Because I saw it turn on. Right here, I saw the green. Let's just continue with it. Wait, so to take this out again. It's not working for some reason. Not working. Let's just continue. We're actually gonna take apart all my Roombas today. Even the Shark IQ, UV11S, we made a 5, and also this one. There we go. Took that one off. Now let's do this wheel. That's probably enough of that. Oh, that sounds good. A little bit of this one. There we go. Now let's screw the bottom one. Pretty hard. Huh. I think we're doing it. I think that's enough. Yep, there we go. Now let's take this part. Move this hello. Whoopsies. That off. Push a little bit of the dirt off. Take this part off. I think that's enough. There we go. We did it. It's right there. Move it to the side. Now let's do this part. I took it apart before because when I first got it, there was a problem with the bumper with a bump. So unscrew that. There we go. Now let's see, it's not. Now let's do this one. There we go. Whoopsies. This screwdriver is actually magnetic. I have it for, we got it like 15 or 8 or 10 or 12 years ago. I don't know, I probably wasn't even born yet. Ah, whoopsies! Fell off. There we go. Some screws. One more screw. This is the last screw. We did it! Now it's time to take it off. I think we need to unscrew this one a little bit more. Bam. How do we this one out? I don't know. Take it out loud. Take this one off. Whoopsies. There we go. You did it. This is put like right here. Luckily, we didn't lose it. Put this more. Now I'm able to take the bumper off. There you go, we did it! Take the bumper off. Let's just brush the dirt off. There we go. We're doing it. There we go. Now you have to flip it over. Now let's just unscrew these two. Put down in front. This round. This off. There we go. We took the bumper off. Move that to the side. I do not know what to do. Oh, that's pretty light. I don't know where I go now. Like this. There we go. We're doing it. I think I did the wrong thing. I don't know what I did. Pop it back in. I don't know where I go now. I don't know where to go. Pop it more back in. There's no screws. I don't know where to go now. I don't know where to go now. Tell me in the comments if you know. So that's not gonna be the end of the video. So we're gonna do more Roombas in this video. So let's just put it back together. So I think we should start for the bumper. Let's try to flip it over. Let's put this on here. Well, I can't see it, but I have to see it. Then put this in here. Whoopsies, gotta take that out. Whoopsies, it's off. Put it back in. This is actually pretty easy. I took the roomba 805 apart before. I didn't take it apart fully, and this part was the most hardest part. There we go, we did it. Now, wait, let me see. Nope, not aligned perfectly. That's so hard. I think that's it. I think that's it. Also, but these screws back in. Oopsies, that's not back in. Back in. I think we just need to screw them in. Not really working. There we go. Put this one back in. There we go. Put this one back in. It's actually really hard. I might accidentally stop the video because a lot of times it stops the video when I'm in the middle of the video, so I just regret the decision. So back in. I think I need to unscrew that and screw it back in because it looks like it's in an awkward area. Well, probably that's right. Yeah, I think that's right. Screw it back in. Put this one back in. There we go. Pretty hard. I think I need to unscrew this one and then screw this one because I feel like it's in the wrong spot. I think I did it. think I'm doing it. Let's try letting that go. No, that's not bumping. I need to redo that. This is falling off. It went off. Oh, man. I don't know what to do now. I feel like that's kind of important. Put that to the side. Need to unscrew all of these. Like taking it apart again. Then do that. Unscrew that. Whoopsie. Put in there. Screw that. Now it's on this one. Unscrew this one. Screw this one. That's the final one, even though there's an extra one, but I lost it. Probably need to screw this one more. I need this real quick. So guys, we'll see if it fell down. The camera fell down. Need to unscrew this. That'll be kind of tricky. I need to. I think that's it. Now let's just try to put it back together. Okay, I need to do some more that. Try this. I think this will work. I never took apart this one, only for the bumper. let's glue it back in. There we go. Let's try this one. Oopsies. Now let's glue this back in. Let's see if it works now. Oh, this part is too close. This part is not bumping. Let's just screw this and screw this. This is taking forever. Huh. It's probably okay. Let's just see when we're done. I think that's enough. That's not fine actually. This part is like popping off. Unscrew it and screw it back in. This is so hard. Oh. I think that's enough. Good, there's back in. Not even close. Really mad. I think we have to dig all of it off. It's not just taking a few of it off. Why is it so tricky? Like I need to watch a YouTube video of it. It's so tricky. Now let's think this one or that one. Ah! Probably this one. See. Oh, this one. So tricky. Ah! Fell out. Put it back open. Oh, this one. I think it's this one. I think this one. Yep, it was. Now, as we got that done, we need to try to This is actually kind of tricky. Like seriously, no cap. That will work, so let's just try it. Put that on. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. I think I'm actually gonna do multiple videos of this. I hope the phone doesn't die. If the phone does die, then I don't know what I'll do. Probably edit it. But I never edit my videos. See if this is working. Yep, it's working. think I'm doing it. I think I'm making it. Yeah, I did it. And I think it bumps. It does. Got that done. Now, probably. But let's just brush this off a little bit. Think so. We didn't take it fully apart, so I don't know what this video is gonna be called yet. I will just probably after I make this video. Screw that in. This was hard. Now let's put this one in. Screw that in. Put this in. Screw this in. There we go. Now let's put this in. Put that in. Put this in. Did that? Now let's put these in. Take one, set the two. Close it up, put battery in. Now put dustbin in. Take this, screw it in. Put this in. Put this in. Put this in. It turned on. Now let's put the side brush on. There we go. Flip it over. Let's see. Whoops. Wait, let's see if we go to its stock. It goes to its stock. Going in. It did it! Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye! Bye guys.